I've seen the prices are coming down for the sellers that actually have the equity and can take less. They're willing to take less. And then there's the ones that are over leveraged and they can't take less, right? There's a lot of that out there. And those are going to be a process. I don't see this plethora of deals coming, right? It's going to be a process where whether the lender's going to want to budge and adjust some of these loans, or if they're going to foreclose on it and take over it. There's a lot that's going to have to happen there before a deal's actually ready, to be sold. So I do think there's going to be some of those, and I think a lot of them aren't going to make it to the market, right? It's stuff that's going to be done behind the door, and some of it's already being done. We're looking forward to those things, and we think we're going to find some opportunities that way as well. But if somebody thinks that there's just going to be a ton of deals popping up left and right, I don't think so. Good deals, that's what I meant.